Welcome to I'm Finally Fit, where we dive into the often misunderstood world of stretching. Many people think stretching is just a warm-up routine or something you do before hitting the gym, but there's so much more to it. In this video, we are here to reveal the hilarious truths about stretching that you probably didn't know. You might be surprised to learn that some common stretching practices could actually do more harm than good. We will break down the myths surrounding static stretching, dynamic stretching, and everything in between. Expect to discover proper stretching techniques that can enhance your flexibility, boost your performance, and even prevent injuries. Understanding how to stretch correctly is crucial for anyone, whether you're an athlete or just someone looking to stay active. We will share tips on when to stretch, how long to hold those stretches, and the best types of stretches for different activities. By the end of this video, you'll not only be laughing at some of the misconceptions, but also armed with the knowledge to stretch safely and effectively. So let's get started and stretch our way to better health and performance. Common stretching mistakes. Let's talk about the most frequent errors people make while stretching, and trust me, you're not alone if you've committed a few of these stretching errors. One of the biggest misconceptions is the idea that more is always better. Overstretching can lead to injuries, yet many of us have been guilty of trying to impress our friends with our flexibility, only to end up looking like a pretzel gone wrong. Another common mistake is skipping the warm-up. Picture this: you jump straight into a deep stretch like you're auditioning for a yoga competition, but your muscles are still as cold as a winter morning. It's a recipe for disaster. We've all seen that one friend who thinks they can just dive into a split without any preparation. Let's just say it's not pretty. As you watch this video, take a moment to reflect on your own stretching habits. Are you guilty of any of these blunders? By recognizing these common mistakes, you can improve your routine and avoid unnecessary injuries. So let's laugh a little at our past stretching failures and learn how to stretch smarter, not harder. The science behind stretching. Let's break down the science behind stretching and how it affects our muscles and joints. When you stretch, you are essentially telling your muscles to relax and lengthen, which can improve your flexibility. Think of your muscles like rubber bands. If you keep them tightly wound up, they lose their elasticity. Stretching helps to keep them nice and flexible, just like giving that rubber band a good tug before you launch it across the room. Now, let's talk about muscle recovery. After a workout, your muscles can feel tight and sore, like a cat that just woke up from a long nap and is trying to figure out where it is. Stretching helps to increase blood flow to those tired muscles, delivering oxygen and nutrients that aid in recovery. It's like sending a little delivery truck filled with goodies right to your muscles' doorstep. So, whether you're trying to touch your toes or just want to feel a bit more limber, understanding the physiological effects of stretching can make a big difference. By incorporating proper stretching techniques into your routine, you'll not only improve your flexibility, but also help your muscles recover faster. Who wouldn't want to feel like a well-oiled machine instead of a rusty old bicycle? Stretching techniques you're not using. Let's explore some effective stretching techniques that you might not be incorporating into your routine. First up is the dynamic lunge with a twist. This stretch not only targets your hip flexors, but also engages your core. To perform it, step forward into a lunge position, then twist your torso toward the leg that's in front of you. Hold for a moment, then switch sides. It's like giving your body a little dance while warming up. Next, we have the seated forward fold, which is fantastic for your hamstrings and lower back. Sit with your legs extended in front of you and slowly reach for your toes. If you're unable to grab them, no panic. Try and reach as far as you possibly can without straining. Imagine you're trying to pick up a snack that rolled under the couch. Stretch, but don't overdo it. Lastly, consider the piriformis stretch, which targets your hips and glutes. Lay flat on your back, navigate one ankle over the contrary knee, and gradually pull the unfolded leg toward your chest. It's like giving your hips a cozy hug. Try incorporating these unique stretches into your routine, and you'll be amazed at how much more flexible and relaxed you feel. Your body will thank you. The role of stretching in fitness. Let's talk about how stretching fits into a comprehensive fitness routine. While you might think of stretching as the quiet cousin at the family reunion, often overlooked and underappreciated, it actually plays a crucial role in your overall fitness. Incorporating stretching into your workouts can enhance flexibility, improve range of motion, and even boost your performance in more intense exercises. It's like the secret sauce that makes everything taste better. Now, we all love a good sweat session, whether it's lifting weights or running like you're being chased by a bear, but let's be honest, after all that intensity, your muscles are probably screaming for a break. Stretching is like giving them a gentle hug after a tough workout, saying, "Hey, you did great, now let's relax a bit." By prioritizing stretching, you not only help prevent injuries but also promote better recovery. Think of it as a spa day for your muscles. Who wouldn't want that? So, the next time you're tempted to skip stretching in favor of another round of burpees, remember that balance is key. Make stretching a priority in your fitness routine, and your body will thank you with improved performance and overall health. Stretching myths. Debunked. Let's clear the air and debunk some popular myths surrounding stretching that might have you scratching your head. First up, the classic belief that stretching before exercise prevents injury. While it sounds good in theory, research shows that static stretching, like holding a toe touch before a workout, might not be the best idea. It's like trying to warm up a frozen pizza by just looking at it. It needs a little more action. Instead, dynamic stretches are more effective for warming up those muscles and getting your blood flowing. Another common myth is that you should feel pain when stretching. Nope. Stretching should feel good, not like you're trying to pull a stubborn weed out of the ground. If you're grimacing and sweating bullets, you're probably overdoing it. Think of stretching as a gentle invitation for your muscles to relax, not a wrestling match. Lastly, some believe that flexibility is a fixed trait. Not true. Flexibility can improve with consistent practice, just like your ability to binge watch an entire season of your favorite show in one sitting. So, let's bust these myths and embrace a more informed approach to stretching. Your body will thank you, and you might even have a few laughs along the way. In this video, we started by identifying common mistakes people make while stretching, like overstretching and skipping warm-ups. Remember, stretching should feel good, not like a scene from a horror movie. We then explored effective techniques that you might not be using, such as the dynamic lunge with a twist and the figure 4 stretch, which can enhance your flexibility and recovery. We also debunked some popular myths, like the idea that static stretching before exercise prevents injuries. Instead, we learned that dynamic stretches are the way to go for warming up those muscles. Proper stretching is essential, not just for improving your fitness, but also for preventing injuries, ensuring that you can keep moving and grooving without any setbacks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. We're here to provide you with more content that keeps you informed and entertained. So, let's stretch our way to better health together. And remember, a little flexibility goes a long way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.